Today we're going to do a firecracker comparison. Megabanger Mighty Crackers versus the Blackcat Little Dynamite. Let's start off with one of the Megabangers. Pretty loud. Now let's do a Blackcat Little Dynamite. These have always been one of my favorites. Woo! Yeah, that's a little louder, I feel like. They always say Blackcat's the best you can get. Let's do Little Dynamite and a Megabanger at the same time. Alright, guys. Woo! I don't know. Which one do you guys think's louder?